Hi, welcome back to Kolsky RC. So today I've took the FIMI X8 SE up again, and today I wanted to do a comparison test on the video. So I've filmed in 1080p, 2.7 and 4K, and I want you to see the difference. So today I've flown in a ridiculously high wind. I expected it to be about 15 miles an hour. It was well in the 20s. It was really far too windy to fly. I wouldn't normally fly in them conditions. The FIMI was getting blown all over the place, but you're going to see from the video footage how good it still looks even at that speed. If you look at the trees and you look at the grass blowing about, you can see it was very windy. So they're going to be labelled on the screen. 1080 is going to come up first, 1080 60, then 2.7 60, and then 4K 30. Just before I go, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Eva Green. I hope I pronounced that right. I believe she can't fly at the minute because she's had something's gone wrong with her leg. And also to George Wrigley, who I saw at Castle Hill where I filmed this today. He was up flying there as well. So massive shout out to him. So enjoy the video that's coming up. Let me know in the comments what you think. What do you think looks best? Does it look better in 1080, 2.7 or 4K? I'm happy with it in everything. I'm stunned how good this camera looks. So the gimbal is a massive thumbs up for me because I didn't expect it to perform anything like it did. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and also hit that notification bell. There's plenty more good stuff coming up.